Racing just started. We have Jacqueline's Diamond break quickly restart. Moving upon the outside. Bull Session Handog. Angel of Mercy in between horses. Then next online is Mahiwaga. And on the outside comes J. Jewel Conquistador Marquis World. Then next online now is Humble Submission, while Maximum Velocity is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Jacqueline's Diamond Handog moving upon the outside, and 2 lengths back in third comes Angel of Mercy. Bull Session rushing upon the outside is a J. Jewel. Next online now is Mahiwaga, Marquis World. Then comes Humble Submission, Conquistador racing second last, while Maximum Velocity is still racing in last. Inside the 3 Octavo Dali now belongs to Jade Jewel, and on the outside Handog, and in third comes Angel of Mercy. Then next online is Marquis World. Moving upon the outside now is a Humble Submission, Jacqueline's Diamond, Bull Session, Mahiwaga, Conquistador, and Maximum Velocity is still racing in less as they swing for room. J. Jewel Handog is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. J. Jewel Handog is on the outside. J. Jewel Handog is on the outside. J. Jewel Handog, J. Jewel Handog, and finally J. Jewel Handog. Then comes Humble Submission, Angel of Mercy, Bull Session, Mahiwaga.
Quite a scare, huh?
Muntik na, coach.
9 horse Jade Jewel.
Unang tumawid sa meta.
Yes, pero handog, oh.
Binigyan ng laban ni C.S. Pare.
They had